If you want to turn on or turn off the wallpaper scroll effect on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, then in that case, we're gonna go to settings. Over here, we're gonna go to personalization, and then you want to tap on the home screen. Once you open the home screen, you can tap on home screen effects at the bottom of the screen, and then you should be able to find the wallpaper scroll option, which you can easily enable or disable. Now, here's a little disclaimer. If you have, for example, HyperOS 3 on your Redmi Note 15 Pro or Pro Plus, depends when you're watching this video, of course, then there is a chance that you will not have the wallpaper scroll option, unfortunately. Apparently, the feature might be removed for some reason, or maybe there might be some sort of bug that will prevent you from using this option. And also keep in mind that the wallpaper must be big enough so that you can actually use the scroll effect, because if it's not big, then of course there's nothing to scroll. And that is pretty much it. Of course, if you actually turned it on, you might want to press apply and of course apply the wallpaper to the lock screen, home screen, or both, of course. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.